Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. It's our maths period. Today is Tuesday, 19th January 2021. Today is cloudy and foggy weather. Today our topic is subtraction. Let's start subtraction with activity. Okay, students, first of all, I am telling you what is subtraction. What is subtraction? Here is a sign of subtraction. Here is a sign of subtraction. It is a straight line. Okay, if we remove some objects with total, it is called subtraction. Look here. I have some cones for you. Yellow cones, pink cones and peach cones. Look here. Here is a shape of cone. Okay, students, count how many cones are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, how many cones are yellow cones are here? 4. If we subtract 2 cones from these 4 cones, let's see which result we have taken. Look here, if we less these 2 cones, how many cones are remaining? Count 1, 2. Yes, if we subtract 2 cones from 2, answer is 2. Answer is 2. We will place here number 2. Look here, how many cones are here? 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. How many cones are here? 4. If we less one cone between these 4 cones, how many cones are remaining? Let's see. How many cones are remaining? 1, 2, 3. How many cones are remaining? 3. We will place here number 3. Okay, how many cones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cones are here? 7. If we remove 3 cones, how many cones are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cones are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cones, yellow cones are here? 4. If we subtract these 2 cones, answer is 2. I have 4 pink cones. If we subtract 1 pink cone, answer is 1, 2, 3. I have 7 peach cones. If we subtract 3 cones, how many cones are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Okay, students, open your copies, sharpen your pencils. Let's start our copy work. Okay, students, first of all, you will write a date. Tues, Tuesday, date, Tuesday, comma, 19th January, Jan, very, January, comma, 2021, full stop. Your letters must touch to this line. Your writing should be very neat. Today our topic is subtraction. I hope you all are understanding the concept of subtraction through this activity. Now count how many flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many flowers are here? 7 flowers. If we subtract these 1, 2, 3, how many flowers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write here number 4. How many cups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we subtract 1 cup, how many cups are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write here number 4. How many stars are here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we subtract these 4 stars, how many stars are here? 4. Now count how many chicks are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we subtract these 2 chicks, the answer is 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, answer is 4. Complete your work. Show me picture of your work. Color these objects. Okay, students. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.